we're not every inch, right? We're gonna smother and move, smother and move. So it's all about moving as you do stuff, okay? What I see a lot of people they get into this habit of like, they wanna deal with this one little thing, and it just takes forever and it doesn't really get anything done. So you wanna keep moving. It's about moving down that line. And you're taking heat away from it every time you do that. Does that make sense, everyone? Len, you the guy?
No, just and that's the flapper is when I've had folks that particular landowners that come in, they just want to beat the tar out of that fire, and that's okay. But I will mention one thing about on the flapper. It's all right if you want to take your frustrations out. Okay, because you can do that with the flapper. The flapper works good because you're just smothering, you're taking the oxygen away, because we're that fire triangle, we're taking the oxygen away from that fire and putting it out. I have found that flappers work well until humidities drop below 30%. And that's a reason when we're talking about the burn plans, we don't write that burn plan. Generally 25 to 30% is kind of the bottom. And I have seen people would take the flapper, and even if you just smother it and it's coming right back up, it's because the relative humidities are fuel moistures are very, very low, and those fires will start back up. And then what's people do? They're trying to get it really put out, and below 30% humidities, fire goes everywhere. And particularly when you go to swat it, you'll see fire just shoot out, and then you've got more problems on your hand. So these work good until you get down to very, very low humidity.